Today, I'm gonna do an unboxing video of this Ninja Fit blender. I'm gonna then blend roughly the same ingredients that's depicted here on the side of the box. What color do you think these ingredients will make? Take a guess. Watch until the end of the video and you'll see the result. Hey guys, my name is S-H-I-G-G-Y Shiggy. How are you? Good, great, wonderful, fantastic. Woo! If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Go Shiggy Go Com. Thank you. I do unboxing videos, talk about cameras and video gear, do model posing videos, and ask celebrities what their favorite word is and why. So when you open up the box like this, you'll see a very convenient table from 1 to 5 that will show you how to put the ingredients into the blender. Alright, it looks like it comes with an owner's guide and also a recipe book. 50 quick and easy recipes. Nice recyclable cardboard. Unfortunately, the content is wrapped in plastic. 2 cups, 2 lids, and of course the blade is in here. When I try to open this, it doesn't open easily. You have to exert a bit of force, which is good, so when you're driving around it won't just fly open, but a bit of force is necessary just to open this up. And it has a wide mouth too, so you can gulp down your drink and food particles won't get stuck when it's exiting this hole. Okay, and this is a twist top, just like that, with an O-ring to seal it nice and tight. And it does come with 2 lids. Here is the bottom, the Ninja blade. Oh. The cup contains 16 fluid ounces. How much is 16 fluid ounces, pray tell? 12, 16.9, 16.9. These two over here are 16 fluid ounces. Here we have the 700 watt power pod with pulse technology. The cord is about 32 inches long. There are no on and off buttons or switches. Here's the exhaust to dissipate heat. Just under 3 cans tall and what? 1 can wide. Very travel friendly and compact. Here on the left we have all the ingredients, and on the right is the ingredients that I cut up and put into this Ninja Fit blender. Now let's see what color this will make. Alright, here goes.
One eternity later.
Woo! Haha! Let me try this now. Delicious. Ah, that's good stuff. I don't really like drinking out of plastic glasses, so the next day I made another smoothie and I put it in a glass. And yes, that is an American Pit Bull Terrier etched on that beautiful glass. I was having a debate with a friend and they said a smoothie cannot contain milk or it's considered a shake. In the comment section below, in your opinion, is a smoothie that contains milk still considered a smoothie or a shake? And if you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome! Please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.